Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming the What's in My Fridge video. We have Johnsonville smoked sausage. Next to that we have some fresh mozzarella in water along with some strawberry jelly with sour cream in the back along with the spaghetti that's in the back. On my personal shelf I keep Fiji waters, blueberries, vanilla yogurt, strawberries, kiwis, and baby spinach. In the drawer below we have some coffee creamers, hot cake syrup, and some ribs. We also have green peppers. Next to that we have some red tomatoes. We have mushrooms, carrots, celery, onions, and lettuce. Door we have lemons, lime, garlic. We have butter, mild pepper ring, sweet pickled relish, mild gallardinera, some submarine dressing, hoagie dressing, ginger, mayonnaise, lemon juice, mustard, ketchup, California French dressing and marinade, Italian dressing, syrup, grape jelly, classic Caesar, open pit barbecue, buttermilk ranch, and blue cheese. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.